ITC Maratha, Mumbai. Nice old school hotel. It's better than we have in Jamnagar, but still not the best that I have seen before. Maybe a few years ago it was new and nice. Now it's a regular 5-star hotel near the airport. It's comfortable arriving from the flight. I think and I hope it will be comfortable stay. Let's see the room. This is the bar. It's nothing unusual. A room big as expected. You can see. Right now we don't have any noise, but who knows? Let's see tomorrow. Let's see. Nice view on Hyatt Regency. Also good hotel. You can see the entrance.